This video has a little bit of everything, from an all-purpose cleaner using Thieves an essential oil recipe, cleaning, decorating, and a DIY project too. So stick around to see this bathroom come together for spring. I want to get started decorating our bathroom for spring. But first I need to do a quick cleanup, and in order to do that, I need to make some more bathroom spray. So I'm going to show you what I use in our bathroom spray. We bought these bottles off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below where I got them. I've used them in a couple other videos, but they're plastic amber, and they really worked out really well for me. So one purchase I'm very happy with. But anyways, the bathroom spray that I use, it's got 2 cups of distilled water. Now most of the recipes that I've seen using the Thieves cleaner just calls for 1 cap to 2 cups, but I really do like kind of a stronger smell, so I put 1 cap to 1 cup. So I've got 2 cups in here. Used 2 caps of the Thieves, Young Living Thieves cleaner. And that alone would be good enough, but I actually like to add a little bit more. And for the bathroom, I am adding pine. I don't know, pine is just my favorite go-to to add in the bathroom. I just like the smell of it. Just the Thieves alone smells so wonderful, but you add the pine to it, smells amazing. That's it. That's what I use for my bathroom cleaner, and I will use this cleaner. I can use it on everything. I can use it on the toilet, the sink, the floors. I mean, I can even use it on the mirrors. So it's kind of a all-purpose, one-shot bathroom cleaner, and I just keep this underneath the sink in our bathroom, and every time it needs wiped down or cleaned up, pull it out from under the sink and it's ready to go. So just give it a good shake and we're ready. I'll try to put a link of the items that I used, or at least the store that I got them at, in the description box below. So if you're interested in the items, just check the description box. If you've seen our other bathroom video, you know that we've already used this on the other bathroom, but it was actually, we got this at TJ, the tray we got at TJ Maxx, and it was, you buy 2 trays for the same price. So we used one in the other bathroom and then one in this bathroom. I was pretty happy with the progress that I had made so far. I had kept everything pretty simple, which if you've been watching any of our videos, you know that's kind of what I've been doing for the whole spring decorating. Just trying to keep everything clean and simple until I got to this area right here. It just needed something. The spray paint that I had wasn't very good spray paint, so I switched directions and decided instead of going with white, I would go with the brown, and I already had brown paint left over from painting our fence, so I just decided to go ahead and use the brown that I already had. It took a little bit longer than spray painting, but I actually like how it turned out a lot better, and with the brown, I can leave it in there all year long and just change the decorations out on top of it. So happy that I went with the brown instead of the white. With this shutter shelf, it already had multiple layers of paint from all the years gone by and being painted so many times, so I didn't really have to be too careful with it, so I was just kind of slopping it on, and it actually turned out really good. Happy with it. Now, where I wanted to hang my shelf, it didn't have studs in the wall, so I used these wall anchors, and when you put them in, it kind of opens up. You can see where it opens up. When you put them in the wall, you put the screw in, it opens those little tabs up, so it holds the shelf good and secure. So if you don't have studs, I highly suggest these little puppies because they do work really well. And here's the finished product. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I kept it pretty clean and simple this time. If you have seen our other video, you know that Grow and Grace we used in the other bathroom, but I switched it out because I found this one, and being it had a tub on it, it worked just a little bit better in my little bathroom, so I switched it out and took it, the Grow and Grace, and put it in this bathroom.